Hey guys, Cindy out here with my Artsy Endeavours. How you doing today? I'm doing pretty well. I am here to show you a different type of journaling that I have been doing that I'm going to finish this book. Am I going to do it again? I don't know. But it's my take on a trashy journal. I've seen a lot of people just plain using trash to make journal pages, and some of them I just don't understand, but that's okay. What I decided to do is, this is an old composition notebook I've had for years, and I just decided to go ahead and make this into my trashy journal. Mine I'm doing a little bit different. What I am doing is my washi tape. Washi tape never sticks, does it? What I'm doing is anything that goes in this journal is something that I have either used, wanted, needed, whatever. It's all personalized just for me. There's nothing random about it. Well, it's random, but not... it's hard to say. Not random trash. Let's put it that way. It's trash from my own personal use or my household use. So what I did is I decided to just start putting stuff in here. I have wrote some things in here, or written, I should say, some things in here, but you know, like these, I planted these. This is some new washi tape. This is a Hampton Inn. This is a trip to Daiso's. So anyways, this is just a whole bunch of receipts that I put on here. What I'm doing is I'm actually putting stuff in here that we use, stuff that means something to this household. Here's prescription things. That's a bracelet from the hospital. Let's see, what have we got here? We've got more receipts, caramel creams. This is paper from Daiso. This is one of my receipts from Daiso. This is a medication. I take methotrexate for my RA. This is a set of brush pens that I got. A little blueberry pie. More receipts. This is my eye stuff. CVS Pharmacy. I just stuck that in there. That's actually for one of my prescriptions. What else is in there? That's from some paper from Daiso. This is what I had to have for my eyes from my eye doctor. This is strawberry flavored tea. It was gross. It was gross. It was strawberry flavored instant tea, and it was a green tea. Yeah, it was disgusting. What's in here? This is something from Medicare. Oh, that's my approval for my methotrexate. Anyways, I stuck that in there. Another receipt. Yeah, supposedly it was a green tea. It was supposedly strawberry flavored. There was no strawberry whatsoever in it. Results of my mammogram. Just receipts. This is just a candy that I bought at Daiso. It was okay, but I like the packaging. More receipts. I have a bank envelope here. This is Southern Sunrise Pancake House. We enjoy going there. It's here in Myrtle Beach. My Dunkin'. I'm a Dunkin' girl. I run on Dunkin'. French vanilla. I have for years and years and years. This is from a pair of shorts that I bought. This is from, I don't know what, something. More seeds. These I actually, this is a pharmacy bag that I stamped on. This is from, I've got one of those Universal Yum boxes. We've had two or three of them now. Two of them, I think. They're okay. That's from some applesauce. Here's the first one. It was from Greece. There was really only two things we really liked in it. Actually, these bagel chips weren't bad, but they were, man, they were garlicky. This was chocolate, and this was like a breadstick. Those breadsticks were really good. The candies were, this was really nasty. I don't like lemon, but my husband said the lemon candies were just atrocious. There's this thing here. He ate that. But that's from Greece. More of the stuff, more of the packaging. That's not from there. Just another receipt. This is from some stuff that I purchased. Another receipt here. So yeah, what this book is it's just, I decided to put in this journal things that we use, like the salt and the pot pies, and this is from the breadsticks, and this is a book that I ordered, and here's a thing from Pringles, and yeah, I'm not sure if I like this. I'll be honest with you. It's different. It's something for me to do. I don't mind doing it. This is from a loaf of sourdough bread when I was up at Carla's. A friend of mine. It was wheat sourdough. We bought it in Ruralsville, North Carolina. Candy bars, Devil Dogs, Ritz, crackers. This is a pasta that we use that I really like. Another receipt. Some of these Crystal Light, some of these pages aren't as full, but it's because I haven't gotten anything small enough to put in here yet. This is a coconut chips. That was from one of the Yum boxes. And they were okay. Nothing to write home about. Like I said, just okay. Gel drops, anything that we use in the household. This is paint pens that I got for my husband. More receipts, Whoppers. This makes this page smell like chocolate. It smells good. This is the packaging from, of course, one of the Yum boxes. Applicators. This is a stamp set I bought the other day in Big Lots. Panera Bread. Pierogies. This is my Mahjong card from last year. Eggos. Bunch of crayons. These are crayons that I've been using in my art. I got neons, pastels, bold and bright, colors of kindness, and just regular. These, or these right here, that I've been using. This is a bin I bought the other day. Some king-size pillowcase covers. This is some popcorn. I think that might, oh no, there's another page. Oh, see, that doesn't stick. This I tried it with regular glue. That didn't work. Let's see if this works. We'll see if this works. I don't know if it will or not, but we'll try. If it doesn't, you know what we can do? We can always tape it in. Let's tape it in. Oh, wrong thing of tape. Hang on. We're just going to tape it in, because that way I know it's going to stay. Right? So this is from Kettle Corn. Honestly, I bought a couple different brands of this. This brand it almost tastes burnt. I had my husband try it, and he said it almost tastes burnt. I love Kettle Corn, and for some reason I've been having really wicked cravings for it. So when I saw it, I bought a couple different bags, couple different brands. And like I said, this one, it's kind of burnt tasting. This is, whoops, oh, I missed a page. That's okay, I'll fill it in. This is from Thailand. We haven't eaten all of these yet. This grilled seaweed roll, not happening in my house, so I gave it to my dog. She enjoyed it. This my husband ate. He said it was pretty good. There's other stuff that we haven't ate yet. We haven't put in here. So that is it so far. Tell me what you think. It's a different style of journaling. It's something that I can look back on it and say, oh yeah, I remember that, or I remember this, or I don't know. It's just different. So yeah, I don't know how that playing card got in there. It just did. I put that sticker there because that's got my information underneath it. But yeah, tell me what you think. Is this something you would do? Does it look interesting? I don't know. It's different. It's a different way to journal. So let me know your thoughts. Alright guys, take care. Don't forget, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will chat with you guys soon. Take care. Bye. Let me know what you think. Bye.